welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a first impression about this product from Thailand. So this is a acne cream product. Kasi meron tayong acne na matagal na talaga sa pagmumukhang ng ito, no? So gusto ko siyang mawala talaga, guys. I have this acne since February and ano na ngayon, Mayo, Mayo na ba? No? Very advanced naman. Matagal na ang acne ko dito sa mukha ko. And very, ano talaga, no? So, gusto ko siyang mawala na forever. I think peeling is good, pero gusto kong mag-try, no? Kasi, tagal na pala sa akin to, guys. Ito! Oh, hindi ko siya na-open. I have my makeup on ngayon. So, for now, while I will take off my makeup and then magde-demo tayo, I will just read through, tapos i-open ko yung, i-unbox natin, okay? So, this is from Melaklear. Okay, ito yung box nila. Sealed pa talaga siya, guys. So, this is scar cream, no? And this is with vitamin E, and the claim is that it will reduce visibility of scars, smooth, soften to diminish appearance of scars. Okay, that is very good claim. And expiration date here probably 30 months after opening. And this is 10 grams and this is about 400 pesos something. I will put a price tag here. If interested o baka mag-work sa atin, diba? So, if this is going to work, am I going to do something about it? Maybe I could put it in one of my store. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, let's open. And I think that's it about the claims, because it's all written here in Thailand, writing in. Hindi naman tayo linguist, no? So, wag na natin ambition yun. Open na natin siya. And this is what it looks like when you open. Very, ano siya, well packaged. Okay, so, mahal kasi, di ba, no? And 10 grams. Okay naman din, no? 10 grams. And is there any, like, direction how to use it? It's all inscribed in Thailand, guys. So, not very sure how this would work. Oh, here, directions. Okay, let's read it. It says here, apply to the affected area and gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Use 3 to 4 times daily and regularly for maximum benefit. Okay. There's no saying as to when we could expect this to work. Let's try it for a week. It says 3 to 4 times a day. Wow, heavy tayo pala dito, guys. Parang maubos ko to 1 week, ah. Okay, so I'll be right back and, take off this makeup. And yeah, we'll see and cross our fingers. So, my face is clean na siya, guys. Yung sabon na ginamit ko is Bello Kojic Trans something. Kojic acid soap. Okay, and for my toner, Celatec toner. And also for my serum, I'm using Pond's White Beauty Serum Burst Cream. Okay, and then for my moisturizer, Celatec. Okay, this is their Dermascience Sun Care Facial Moisturizer. Okay, and now let's go into the product. Okay, so Melaklear Scar Cream. So yung ano lang pala problem ko is here, ito lang, guys. So dyan lang natin ilagay, ha. So meron talaga akong isa na doon talaga siya ang pinaka worst. So daliin natin kasi mag-blink na siya, nag-blink na yung camera ko. Tapos squeeze in ko. Ayan. Thick pala ang consistency niya. Okay, so Lagay ko lang siya. Konti lang guys muna. Diba? Kasi hindi natin alam. So, yan. Diyan lang siya. Oh, thick talaga siya. Okay. Yan, lagay natin. Meron din ako dito. Mga new. Tsaka dito rin. Kabila. Okay. Ayan. Yun na lang muna. So, yung mga area na lang. I don't wanna do it all over the face. Okay. Malagkit siya. Okay. So, I will do this in the morning. Okay. In daylight. And then I will also give you my thoughts on how I apply and such. Kasi pangit yung ano natin ngayon, lighting. So, see you in the morning and let's hope for the best for this product. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell right next to my subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I make a new upload. Till next time.